Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is basically a review video. It's not related anything to makeup on or how to do makeup or something like that. So today I'll be reviewing this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. So this is basically a lip liner which you can also use it as a lipstick. Currently the shade which I'm using is from this lip liner. I have used two shades to make this color. Also, this retails for 5.99. That is what it is written behind the box, but I think I've purchased it for 340, 350, somewhere around 350 from Amazon. Yeah, so the manufacturing date, it is mentioned here 5/21, May 21, and the expiry is April 2025. Yeah, that's it. And there are also ingredients mentioned at the back side of the box. You can definitely have a look on it. And again, this is not a cardboard box, okay? Yeah, so once you open, you will get all the colors like this. So it has nudes, brown and red and pink tones, all the colors basically which you can use it. So there are 12 colors in here, and you can already see it's such a beautiful color uh, available. I have also applied the same. I have used two shades from the same lip liner, and I have applied, and I don't feel drying on my lips because I have applied a generous amount of lip balm before applying this liner. Yeah, so I was telling, so I don't feel it that this is very dry on lips or something like that. But yeah, if you don't apply a lip balm and if you apply just like that, you will definitely feel drier. I have used completely as a lipstick, but you can definitely line your lips from this, fill in, and then apply lipstick. And in that case, your lipstick would stay for really longer time. So that is the other thing. So what I'll do is I'll quickly show the colors and the names for the liner. So the first shade says Fruit Punch. Okay. Yeah. This is the first color. The shade name is Fruit Punch. The second shade says Dark Chocolate. The third shade says Burgundy. And these are very creamy actually, if you see. Uh, this is the shade which I've used right now, Burgundy. Fourth shade is Cherry Brown. Cherry Brown. Yeah. So this is the shade Cherry Brown. And just make it little bit more thicker. Yeah, Cherry Brown. And the fifth shade is Bright Maroon. Yeah, this is the fifth shade, which is Bright Maroon, and this is the color. It's very beautiful color, actually, very vibrant. Yeah, Bright Maroon. And the sixth shade is Purple. Yeah, this one. The seventh shade is Choco Nude. So this is the color, and this is from the nude family again. Eighth color is Pink Crush. Yeah, Pink Crush. Again, this is the color. The ninth shade is Orange Red. Yeah, Orange Red. This is the color. The 10th shade is Maroon 2. That is what it is written here. Yeah, Maroon. This one. The 11th shade is Hot Red. So this is the color, Hot Red. Again, very beautiful color. And the last shade of this lip liner is Royal Red. Yeah. Uh, this one. This one is the last color, which is Royal Red. So these are basically the colors which are available in this lip liner palette. These are lovely colors actually, and for the price which you're paying is, you can always mix and match the colors. You can apply the darker shade towards outer lines of your lips, and the lighter one towards your inner, and that would make totally a different color also. So I think for the price which we are paying, it's a wonderful lip liners. Doesn't feel drying on your lips for sure, but yeah, whenever you apply lipstick or a lip liner, the one thing which you always have to follow is apply a generous amount of lip balm, and at least leave it for 5-10 minutes so that it get absorbed on your lips, and it don't make you feel much drier. Especially what happens when it comes to the matte lipsticks, yeah, liquid lipsticks basically, it tends to make your lips very drier. Okay, so it this also says that it is a matte lip liner palette. Yeah, matte lip liner. Again, yeah, that is what it is written here. Swiss Beauty bold matte lip liner, and uh, being very frank, this is not at all drying on your lips, and you can use it as a lipstick, and if you want, you can just reapply it. Just keep one stick in your bag, or if you're going to office or college, and these are very beautiful colors, trust me. So I'll also link the product link in the description box below. I have purchased it from Amazon. If I find it on Flipkart, Nykaa, or Purple, I'll just list it out in the description down below. You can definitely click on the link and buy the product if you want to. And again, it's a type of steel deal product wherein you're getting all the colors which are required, and you can use it, and the shelf life of the product is also not shorter. It's still 2025. You will definitely complete it. The only thing which I felt was they would have also given a sharpener with this, because you every time have to sharp. Yeah, so that was the only thing which I felt. A box दिया है तो वो भी दे ही देते. That is the one thing which I felt. वरना I really like this, all the 12 colors actually. Yeah, so if you like the video, you can definitely consider subscribing to the channel, because I'll be making more videos on makeup reviews or haul or related, something related to clothing. This is what I've thought as of now, that this is what I'll be trying to do in coming days also. So please consider subscribing to the channel, and take care. Bye.